So this is a leek. We used to not know what this was, but leeks are very similar to green onions. So here's some green onions, or if you want to call them scallions. Now these are farmers market green onions, which is why they're a little bit bigger, but so very similar to a leek. So when it comes to a leek, you can interchange a leek with green onions or just white onions. But so you're going to use from about this part, I always trim that stem off, to about right here where the light green starts to become dark green. And so this part I would discard. And so when it comes to leeks, sometimes dirt can get stuck in the layers. So if that's the case, then I want you to slice it up just like you would, a green onion. And then you would put all those slices in a fine mesh colander and rinse it out, and that'll help get the dirt out of all those layers in the slices. So there you go.